In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image in MediBang Paint. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them. The most basic is going to be to go to the top left and click on File, and then click on Open the image as a layer. And from here, you can just click on any image and click on Open, and it's going to open the file as a separate layer inside your current document. That's the first way. The second one is going to be to actually pull up an image, and you can drag and drop it in here. So I have it pulled up over here on the right. I'm going to drag and drop it from our files like this, and you can just basically drop it anywhere. If you want to add it as a new canvas, drop it here, or if you want to add it as a layer, drop it over here, okay? That's one way to do it as well, and then you can resize it by pressing Ctrl T on your keyboard with your layer selected, or of course, you can go to select up top and click on transform, and it's going to allow you to transform it as well, okay? That's the second way to do it. Then you have the third way, which is going to be to copy your image from somewhere. So I'm just going to open this image of dog, the same image, right click and click on copy, and if I go back, I can just basically press Ctrl and V on my keyboard, and it's going to paste in the image as well, okay? That also works, but if you have an image open as a separate file, so for example like this, you could go and press Ctrl, of course select the layer, and you can go and press Ctrl A and then Control C when it's selected, and you can go back to your over here and then click on Control V, and it's going to paste it as a new layer. So those are all the ways to insert images in MediBang Paint. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.